pencils, glue and more. We use them all to learn and explore. But when we're done, what do? We take good care of every tool. No more throwing, no more break. We keep them safe for everyone's sake. Put them back where they belong. That's how we keep them strong.